Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So in this video we're talking about the technical analysis for a day-to-day trader. So that is for a day-to-day trader. If you are a day-to-day trader, you're trading every day and you want to know technical analysis, you want to be profitable in your trading. So in this particular video is for you. So before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, subscribe for more content like this. So and to make money in crypto, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. So to get started, technical analysis for a day-to-day trader. And if you're a day-to-day trader, the first thing you need to know, it depends on the time frame you are trading. Do you understand? That is, it depends on the time frame you wish to place your trade. So if you're a day-to-day trader, you want to take trading every day. Is either you're using a 1 hour time frame, you're using a 2 hours time frame, or a 4 hours time frame to place your trade. Do you understand? But more or less you should be using more of 1 hour, so that you can easily see entry in the market. Do you understand? So if you're using a 1 hour time frame, you see many things in the market, what is happening in the market, and you're able to catch a lot of opportunities. But the main thing is that make sure your strategy is enough to squeeze out the loss trades. You understand? That is the trade that are more of that bring loss to you than profit. So if your strategy is able to squeeze them out, that will be okay, because on 1 hour time frame you have a lot of entries in the market. Do you understand? But if it's on a 4 hours time frame, one day you have entries, so your entry will be limited. But once you have an entry like this, it will be an huge amount of pips, or an huge amount of a long position. So now this is a dot. Let's just use this dot. Very technical analysis. I'm on a 1 hour time frame currently. So I'll just make sure I can use my support and resistance. So this is where the market is currently. Now I want to analyze where do I think the market is going. Okay. So I will need to draw my support and resistance. I might just first of all go back to. Don't worry. So I have a level here. The level here, we have a level here, you can see those levels I'm drawing, they are strong levels. So that's the first thing. You just make sure you draw a very strong levels. I think that's been used like 2 or more times. So look at this one. It was used here, it was used here, it was used here, it was used here. This one, it was used, and it's doing even currently, and it was used here. This was used here, it was used here, it was used here. So if you have to check into the back also, but I've seen that. Look at it, it was used here, to use here, use here. So they are strong levels. So now might decide if you see any trend, maybe it's very trendy, might decide to put up a trend line, which is very important. So can you see we have a trend line? This is how you'll be doing it. So you have a trend line, and also let's see if we have something that can catch our attention here. Okay, I guess we have another trend line also. Okay, it doesn't mean that your trend line cannot be broken. So the main thing was to touch some importance level, and it did. So now look at this, is more like an ascending wedge on the 1 hour time frame. So if I change to 4 hours, let's look at how it is on 4 hours. Look at where it is on 4 hours. So it's an ascending wedge, and ascending wedge is more of a bullish pattern. That is, if it broke down, it's most likely to break down. Now let's assume I want to take this trade for today. Look at it, the market actually broke above this level with a strong candle, a strong momentum, and it was retraced back into this level. What I'm actually expecting by my trader, expecting a little consolidation in this region and go ahead to test this particular edge of the channel. Do you understand? That's like 15. Now, so if this particular candle that is playing currently, that is running currently, if this particular candle on what now we are now, and it is 8:31 p.m. So And that means that in the next 1 hour this particular candle will finish. So let's check it out, this current candle on 30 minutes time frame. I look at it. It gave us a week here, and it also gave us a buying prayer here with this particular armor. Do you understand? And the current one is what is running. So, but on our 4 hours chart, it's still it's still not full because it's running on a red candle and the current 30 minutes. So what we are going to do here is to chill, because this particular level is a very strong level. If this level is broken, then if this particular resistance support level is broken, do you understand, that means you might be seeing the price coming to break this trend line and coming to this particular $14 region. Do you understand? But if I'm to trade this currently, if I'm to trade this, I'm a day trader, what I'm going to wait for, these are the things I'll wait for. The first thing is that I wait for the close of this particular candle on a 4 hour time frame, and I will make sure that the wick on it is not much. Do you understand? So if, because the candle buying up from this region to this region is a huge buying prayer, and this current one having a huge wick also underneath. So if this one is able to end as an hammer, do you understand, I will enter for the for the next trade to push the price up to $15. But if there's a wick at the top of this particular current 1 hour time frame, I will still wait either for the candle to stay above this particular support level, maybe around 40.7. Then from there I will now take my call trade to $15.7. Do you understand? So, and also, if the market should break below this particular trend line here, I will enter for a short trade to 14.40. So it all depends on the current candle that is running currently, what the candle is going to do. If the candle should be a red candle and closing up below this level, it's either I enter for a short trade or I wait. But the best place is to wait for this trend line, because this trend line is a very strong trend line. Can have been used multiple times. So a very strong trend line, and wait is going to wait for the break and short it to this 14.0. So let's assume you're a trader and you have entered the market, you understand, in this region. You draw a trend line from here. Anytime the market touches the trend line again, here you can long it. Market came down, touched again, you long it. It touched again, you long it. Touched again, you long it. It touched again, you long it. So these are multiple entries in the market. But if it's on the 4 hours chart, you won't see this much of entry in the market. Do you understand? So for a day-to-day trader, for you to be able to see multiple entries, you need a 4 hours or time frame. A 1 hour time frame or a 2 hours. Do you understand? So if I was to check it on the 4 hours time frame with the current candle doing currently, I can see. Can you see? And this is 8:35, so that's the time. So it all depends whether it's going to do, whether it's breaking above here or breaking below here, to know when I'm going to short this market or long this particular market. So that's all I can tell you for that. And also, if you're a day trader, also the main things that make sure you are familiar yourself with the market. Look at this particular formation here, in which I short the market when I saw this formation right from this particular top. As market went up first, it came down, sit on this trend line, and it went up again. As it went up and this particular red candle end, there's a close. This is a confirmation for a double top. I short the market to this level, and I make huge gains on BTC, because it was same pattern that was printed on BTC. So I short it, and so that's an example of a day trader. So sorry, let me see this guys come back. Okay, so let me can you see now the double top? If I'm to put some lines there now, let me just use this. The previous one, this is the previous one, and the body of that previous candle. Can you see? Here the body does not end above, so it ended below. Immediately the close of this engulfing this previous neck candle, I enter for a short trade, even though there's resistance there. I hope because of the pattern, the strong one, and it's going to push the price down, and it push the price to this trend line. So that's an example of uh how to be what a day trader. So you must be able to spot the important patterns in the market. Make sure your trend lines are strong levels. Make sure your support are strong levels, so that to avoid you entering trade you are not meant to enter through. So once those things are met, your trend line, your support level, and able to identify different patterns, know the candlestick story, candlestick analysis in the market, then you will be profitable. Do you understand? In your what? Day trading. So the main thing you need is to what? Master the support and resistance, master trend line, know the necessary chart patterns, and know candlestick story. That is, you know how to analyze each and every candlestick you see in the market. So once you're able to do all these things, you'll be profitable in your trading career. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want more content like this we uploaded, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video, and also smash the like button. It really helps. Thank you very much. God bless you all.